A new video from Technic Power. In today's video we show you how you can reset your Smarthub to your Coolhead from 2023. This time we got a Coolhead, a brand new model from 2023, and here we want to reset the Smarthub. To do this, you just have to go to the menu, scroll all the way to the right until you find all the settings. And here we go in and next scroll down to this point here, which is called Support. Here then to Device Maintenance. And when we're in here, our device is checked. This is what it looks like. 3 problems have now been found and we can fix them. It also shows us directly what problems there are. But we want to reset the Smarthub. And for that we click on Self-Diagnosis. And when we're in there, then there is this point here, Reset the Smarthub. We don't have to do any more. We select that, Reset the Smarthub. And when we have selected it, we are also asked for our PIN at the same time. If you haven't changed it, it's 4 times 0. You have to enter that now, 4 times 0. And the Smarthub is reset now. And when everything is done, all you have to do is press the home button. Of course, you have to agree to the business conditions again. Everyone agrees and press OK. Just like the first installation we showed you here. Now you have to create an account or you have one. You can skip it too, like in my case. Then you have the option to select the voice assistant. You can skip that too. You can do it again and again afterwards. Then I skip the link too. And that's it. I have restored my Smarthub here. If you have any questions about this tutorial, let us know and write it in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, then you'll always be up to date. Technic Power says thank you for watching and goodbye.
Und auf Wiedersehen.